Hi, ladies! Here is a sweet Valentine's treat for you. I am absolutely in love with this makeup style. It shows a beautiful, blushing, youthful appearance like sweets, like candy. It really goes perfectly together. You can wear your hair down with romantic curls for a simpler look, or you can add ribbons for a girly look. Anyways, I'm so excited to share this with you, so without further ado, please keep on watching. Dun, 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 dun. Please subscribe to my channel. Now that I'm already done with my skin prep, I have decided to groom my eyebrows first. Using a brow wax or brow gel, comb your eyebrows upward to prevent unruly brows to set it in place and prevent it from looking too crazy. This will be a clean canvas for your brow pen or pencil to draw on. Now I will be using a facial mist to rehydrate my skin. It's like drinking water. It soothes and refreshes your face and make sure to pat it dry. Using my Izzy & Co concealer, I'll be applying this baby around my eyes and eyebrows because this creates a clean base for the eyeshadow to put on. I'm using a concealer brush to gently incorporate the product well before using a damp sponge because with this technique you will have a flawless canvas to work with. Now carefully blend the concealer. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I am using the lightest shade as my base, carefully patting it onto the eyelids. Now I'm using a combination of brow pencil and brow pen on my eyebrows. I'm using my brow pen to create a hair-like strokes at the end of my brows and at the head of my brows. Ladies, it is very important not to overdo the head of the brows. Avoid doing the boxy thing because it will look too harsh and masculine, which we are not aiming for. Now with my brow pencil, I'm just lining the bottom part of my brows and sparse areas for a more defined look. Quick tip, if you have a dark hair color, your eyebrows should be 1 to 2 shades lighter. Then brush your brows upwards to blend it all together. Moving on to the next step, I am using my ring finger to pat the purple eyeshadow onto the lids because this will make the pink eyeshadow pop more. This is a genius technique that I've learned in Korean makeup artists. With a flat brush, I'm putting on the pink shadow across my eyelids and underneath my eyes as well. With a glittery shadow, pat it only to the high points of your eyes such as the middle part of your lids, brow bone, inner corners, and the aegyo. Look at how your eyes are blushing. It is sweet and youthful. Now, I'll be adding a glitter underneath my eyes because this will create the illusion of a sparkling, head over heels, goo-goo eyes. Oh my gosh, this will make you look like you're in love by just your eyes. Now moving on to the foundation. For me, the best way of applying foundation is using your fingers. You get to massage your face and with a damp sponge, you blend it in. To really brighten my face, I'm strategically applying concealer to just the parts of my face that needs more coverage. I'm also applying at the sides of my face because I have a pimple there, and also between my brows and across my forehead. Carefully blending it all in with a concealer brush and also a damp sponge. You can now set it with powder. This is my favorite part. Using a purple shadow as a base of my blush, I'm just applying underneath my eye bags to create a youthful flush, and now adding highlight to our cheeks and bridge of the nose. Moving on to the lips, I wanted an ombre effect, and this is what you call a Douyin lip technique. I am applying my darkest shade of pink only to the inner parts of my lips and emphasizing the shape of my lips. Now I am using a pink eyeshadow as my transition shade because I find it less annoying than lip glosses. And I think this is a great alternative. Lastly, I added a flick at the corners of my mouth. Just for touch-ups, I also added highlighter on my jaws. Let's not forget to contour our nose. Here I am just using a taupe shade for a natural finish, also added a little bit of my Filtrum and blending it well. This is my signature technique, lining a curved line onto my filtrum, and now adding dark lines at the corners of my mouth and lining my eyes as well. In my case, I have a downturned eye shape. That's why I opted for a slight upturned line outwards. It's best to line with a gray or brown liner for a softer look. For the final touch, I am lightly lining my aegysal or baby fat underneath my eyes and adding highlighter on my cupid's bow. Don't you just love how the light hits your cupid's bow? And here is the final look. Because it's Valentine's, I think creating romantic curls for your hairstyle is the way to go. The wave and flow of your hair is truly the crowning glory you can flex. It's like a modern day Juliet, and for sure, your Romeo will love it. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be here with forevermore. And that's it, ladies. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye!